guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, me and the News Boys Club member are going to be doing a Nerf gun review on these two guns right now. They're going to be showing up right now. Guys, we are going to be doing these guns and just going to be unboxing them, so let's get to that. Guys, we're going to be doing the unboxing now. Oh, sorry, you guys can't see. Hold on, guys. We'll get it to the point where we got those little things off. Guys, we got to the point, and here's the gun. I guess it was that easy. But we need to get the bullet. Don't worry about that bullet. Stop. And we're going to open this thing up so we can get the bullets. And then we're going to be getting this thing. Oh, wait. Okay. So. Oh, there's a little piece of tape right here. That's stupid. See, the Nerf bullets are in there somewhere. Yeah, right there. I'm going to get these open real quick. What is that?
That's where the bullets are, I think.
Yeah, that's where the bullets are. These are the bullets right here.
They're really aerodynamic.
See, look at the little thing at the end.
It's got a little mouth and stuff.
Okay, we're going to have to... I'm trying to get this thing to focus for you guys. See on the end right there? So... So we're going to be getting this back bullet out. So we have an extra bullet. See, it's right here. Oh, that's really cool. Oh my god, that thing is powerful.
It's got some spring.
Let
me try this again.
Okay.
Oops.
I'm going to get this bullet out.
I love the gold. I love the gold.
I like this thing. It's so cool in the end.
Yeah.
I'll show you guys.
One's got some
I'll show you
gold
in a sec. Can I see? Yeah. So, where's the other bullet that you shot? Can you get the other bullet that you shot, please? Oh, sorry, guys.
That's our helper.
We have our helper. We're not going to be showing her because she doesn't want to be showing us. And then here, we're going to get to the part of shooting. Okay, guys, so this is the shot. I'll put it in slow-mo for you. That was so cool. Boys Club member doing his little package.
So I'm going to open it right here.
I'm just going to pull it open.
Oh, I like the text features, but I'm pretty sure that...
Get out of the screen, helper.
And the screen.
So, how's it going? How's it going? Our helper's helping us.
So last time I got it, it's just a big box and it just slides right out into your hand. Like that.
Here's the bullet.
Bam.
Oh my god, the scope. The scope, that's what's the main thing.
Look at these. They're so pretty. These are the bullets, which are helper. Thank you for getting them.
Helper?
Credit to helper.
We'll put that in the last part of the section. Credit. Credit.
Nope, we gotta get this one and this one.
And all of the editing is by kids.
Ooh, sweet.
Wow.
You can put 4 bullets in it.
Yeah, what? It's like the fishy sound. This game.
Can I have it?
Okay, no. Let's see the scope through the camera. I'll try to get you guys in a sec. Bye. Guys, this is the thing. Aim on head. It's the gun full scoped, readied up. Oh, nice scope. Come on. Oh, it's locked up. That was too fast for me to do. So, guys, we are going to be looking at that in full action. We just hit our helper, accidentally. But we're gonna get to the shooting right now.
The wall back, which is about 30 feet, maybe 20 feet. So it's very powerful.
Now it's time to try the other gun with the scope.
Hey, birdie.
Bye. That's it for the video. I hope you like it. Like and subscribe right now, or else you'll have 17 years of good luck. Bye.